Dear Chartered Accountants, working professionals and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing Chartered Accountant. Daily news and updates for 21st October 2023. The Central Board of Direct Taxes issued notification number 91/2023 on October 19, 2023, introducing a new Rule 16D into the Income Tax Rules 1962. This new rule requires that the report of an accountant, which is required to be submitted by the taxpayer under Section 10AA subsection 8 of the Income Tax 1961 in conjunction with Section 10A subsection 5 of the Act, must now be filed using the newly introduced form number 56F. This amendment is effective from April 1st, 2023 for all taxpayers who are claiming a deduction under Section 10AA of the Act. Section 10AA of the Act provides for a deduction of income tax for industrial undertakings that have commenced production of goods or operation of ships during the previous year. The deduction is available for a period of 10 years from the date of commencement of production or operation. The Union Cabinet, chaired by the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, has approved to release an additional instalment of Dearness Allowance to central government employees and Dearness Relief to pensioners with effect from 1st July 2023, representing an increase of 4% over the existing rate of 42% of the basic pay or pension to compensate against price rise. This increase is in accordance with the accepted formula, which is based on the recommendations of the 7th Central Pay Commission. The combined impact on the exchequer on account of both Dearness Allowance and Dearness Relief would be Rs 12,857 crore per annum. This will benefit about 48.67 lakh central government employees and 67.95 lakh pensioners. With the festive season around the corner, companies across India are giving their employees a gift, up to a week off in addition to the regular annual leave. The bonus time is part of a growing focus on employee well-being to allow them to relax and recharge. These companies include KPMG, Deloitte, Adobe and WeWork India, as well as startups such as PhysicsWallah, Wingify and PowerPlay. Most are giving extended Diwali break, while others have opted to give them time off towards the end of the year. Some have even considered Saturdays and Sundays besides other holidays and clubbed these leaves so that employees get more days off for time off. Sales of premium smartphones grew both in value and volume between October 8th and 15th when Amazon and Flipkart had their flagship events, the Great Indian Festival and Big Billion Days respectively. Smartphones from Apple and Samsung spearheaded the stellar show by the premium segment, helping lift overall sales. According to the Counterpoint research data, this segment saw 50% year-on-year growth on Flipkart, driven by the sales of the iPhone 14 and Galaxy S21 FE. On Amazon, the segmental growth was almost 200% year-on-year, driven by sales of the iPhone 13 and Galaxy S23 FE. This spike in business was despite it coinciding with the Shraddh period, which is considered an inauspicious time for shopping in several parts of the country. While Flipkart's festive sale has ended, that of Amazon is ongoing. As fintechs scramble to shore up revenues and find a path to profitability, stockbroking startups stand out with strong positive bottom lines. They are mostly riding the rapid adoption of F&O trading in the country, which helps them generate strong revenue lines. Large brokers like Crore, Zerodha and Angel One get almost 80 to 85% of their revenues from F&O traders. Even early stage startups in this space like Dhan is focused on professional traders who undertake very high frequency trades. Dhan is being evaluated by prospective investors for a Series B round of funding at a much higher valuation than its previous round. Till date, Dunn has raised $22 million from BNext, 314 Capital, and others at a valuation of $100 million.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.